Usually I don't really worry about putting on lipstick because every single time I do, it just rubs right off because I end up having a coffee or something, so that sucks. Also, I have a bone to pick with you guys. Yes, you. The people that are watching this, I was ready for cinnamon roll, okay? I have this jacket that I borrowed from my sister because I was like, look, that matches the theme. But this morning, like I said, I woke up and you guys decided to choose the other one. So I had to scavenge through all my colors to make sure that I had the right colors for this character because I'm not driving out. So lucky for you, I do have the colors.
Once again, it was your fault.
Not my fault. So that's going to be today's theme, but there is a twist. So my sister came into my shop actually last weekend and she asked me, have I seen these videos where these girls have like this cake, only eat a cake that's made completely out of cream, or it's like 1% cake and then 99% cream.
Weird premise though.
I have seen it before, but then she asked me, could I make that for like her friend's like birthday, which I was like, how would that even like, how would you even cut it? Like, how would you even serve a cake like completely out of cream?
Don't really just scoop a bunch and just
like, would you have to scoop? So that got me thinking, how about we make a video and then we can see how you can cut it or how you could serve it. So I watched these videos of these girls eating these cakes and the cream just didn't look like ordinary cream to me. It didn't look like fresh cream and it also didn't look like buttercream. So then that got me thinking, it's possible that it's imitation cream. Now this stuff, I don't see a lot of people talk about it. It's not really a common thing. I remember the first time when I started working at a bakery and we had this product, I tried to look it up, but a lot of people didn't really, there's not a lot of information based on it. I think it's just like a product that mainly businesses get. And because that's the case, a lot of home bakers don't get it, which is why I don't think it's very like out there.
Can you buy it from anywhere?
I tried to purchase it, but I got this through work. When I first started working, I was so scared because like, you know how like when you first start business, you're like, I don't want to ask for any favors. I was so scared, but I really wanted to like experiment because I think the best way of knowing your product is to experiment with your product. And so I so badly wanted a bottle, which made me look into how I could purchase it. And I personally couldn't find a way to get it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna whip this up and then I am gonna try and start on a little base and then go from there. All right, now that we've whipped up our imitation cream or dream whip, depending on how you prefer to call it, and we got it to nice, like soft peaks. Oh, hello kitten.
You pull cream out, he's gonna go mad for it now.
Oh, do you want to cuddle, baby? Yeah, come. I'm gonna get fur everywhere. Oh, hello. Ah. You can smell the cream on my lips.
It's like,
add a little bit.
Get off me. That's what I want. He's seen it.
So while that was whipping up, I've got all my other gear kind of prepped. No!
That's all you guys are going to hear in this whole video is that cat just meowing for this cream.
Now I'm actually quite happy because this came in handy. I have this shape already and this is just going to be like my reference of how big. Do you reckon I should go bigger? Or I thought that might have been a decent size. Because when I thought we were doing cinnamon roll, I thought this would be a good shape because I'd need space for the ears. Now that we're doing, I looked up the name. I can't remember the name of her name.
The name of the name?
I can't remember the name of the name. Kuromi? Kuromi. Kuromi. She's very cute. She's actually kind of like aesthetically, she's my favorite. I just don't know her that way. Kuromi.
Why did you say it like that?
I don't know. So now that we're doing Kuromi.
You said it different straight away.
I don't know how to say it. You know what, we're just gonna start and then go from there. Also, I decided to grab an extra bowl because I wanna do another color because once we cut it, I wanna see if we get a slice out successfully, like different layers of different colors.
Right.
I think that'll look really cool. I ran out of pink, but I don't want to make more. So this is what we're going off of. I think I might need to whip more cream up, but this is doing more than what I expected. I don't think we're going to need that whole bottle. Oh, a washing stuff. Look, I'm smoothing it out. Oh my God. Also, what I ended up doing was, if you guys want something to smooth a cake out like this, just get some cardboard. Like, if this is something you're gonna be doing regularly, then I recommend getting the smoothers for it, like the actual tools. But if this is just something that you just wanna muck around with or just like have some fun, get some cardboard, cut it out, and go ham. So what we're gonna do is just gonna put some more cream on and then we'll go from there. Now that I've got my fresh batch of cream all ready to go, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna carve where I want her face, her shape, all to be, just so I have a bit of a guide. And I know it's looking rough at the moment, I promise, but once we get all the details on there, because this is just the base, we just need the face to be nice and smooth, everything else will come together. It'll come together. Guessing about like that big, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and then her eyes have to be, she's a cranky little girl, like me. And then her little nose will go there, and then her little paws will go here. All right, so that's our shape. So we're just gonna start, what I'm gonna do is the V part, I'm just gonna do it with black, and then I'm gonna do the rest, because what I'm worried about is if I do the purple first and then the black, it might smear. When this way I can do that, smooth it out quickly, and then, yeah, go from there. Oh my God, do you know how stressful it is to do little details, let alone doing that, but then also being filmed while doing that? That stressed me the hell out, man. Like I was like, ugh. I'm gonna grab the reference photo and I am gonna start with the little like hat thing she has. I take it all back. I am so happy that we picked this one because with this design, all I've got to do is pat, 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 and then I've got my effect. When with cinnamon roll, I would have had to smooth it. I've got a runny nose, summer's coming, and I've got really bad hay fever. But cinnamon roll, I would have to have smoothed it out, which would have taken so much more work. Look how easy this is. I take it back, guys. You guys know what you're doing, all right? To be fair, I do wish I made the face a bit more rounder. I wish I went a little more higher, but still, it's too late. We're not turning back now, okay? What we have is what we have. Bunny mouth, bunny mouth, bunny mouth. Prepped these a bit earlier, so it'll just be easier for us just to do it. But I made these out of chocolate. So what we're gonna do is just gonna stick these into the cake, and then I didn't want it, because around the cake, it's kind of got like that cream texture. So I've only done pink for the ears, and then we'll add the rest of the details on there. So let's do that. This is how she's turned out. There's a lot that I probably would change if I did it again, but this is the outcome. Also, I'm very sorry, but I accidentally dropped my bag and it bumped her face. I was so grateful. It could have done a lot more damage.
Could have snapped the ear in half or something.
Also, I was really worried about putting the ears in, because you stick it in, you usually have the cake to keep it in place. Because this is all cream, I was like, I don't know if this is gonna stay, but it has. I'm thinking of writing happy birthday on the board, and then we'll try and take a slice out of this cake. I'm very curious how this is gonna cut. I'm actually this is like the dumbest cake we've ever made, but at the same time, I'm quite curious. I think this is the most ugliest cake I've ever made, but then Jackson made a point where there is no cake. So is it really a cake?
Is it basically even a cake? It's just decorated cream.
It was really hard. With cream, it's very hard to make a cake. I promise you, if you got me to do this in buttercream, I would kill it. But we did it in cream. It was a decision I made, and did I regret it? Oh yeah, 100% I regret that. But again, I didn't want to make this all in buttercream. I just don't see how you can enjoy it. It has to be cream. What we're gonna do is the fun part. We're gonna cut it. Let's cut this cake. I want to see. I'm very interested to see if you can actually get a clean slice from there.
So you're gonna so you're basically gonna just see if you can cut like a normal slice as you would a cake.
Cake, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this feels so weird. It's so smooth.
Good or bad?
I kind of like it.
Surely it won't scoof out like that, but I can't see it happening.
Okay. We're loosening it all up. Loosey-doosey. Loosey. Oh, I don't want to flick it.
I mean, it's kind of working.
Is it? Oh my God. Is this going to work? Oh.
Looks like ice cream cake.
It doesn't look like the most aesthetically pleasing piece of cake or serving, if you can call it cake.
It's not a cake.
I mean, it's not the cleanest cut you can ever get, but like, that's an all right serving.
I mean, it did better than I thought it would.
That's all right. Now, what I really want to do is just get a spoon and just start scooping.
Just start. So basically, you can do it how that girl did on that video.
I really want to do it.
Hang on.
I'm very excited. Oh my God.
Just took her eye.
I'm not going to be able to eat all that.
I'm going to be for 13 hours.
I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty good. You want a piece?
I don't reckon I like it. Everyone just sees.
Did you want me to
like,
scoop?
we still don't know what his face looks like. All I see is a hand.
Oh, that was aggressive.
Ugh.
No?
No.
I like it.
Yeah. I like cream, but it needs to be with something.
I can't get over girls actually are able to eat a whole thing like this.
It made me feel sick watching her do that. Like
Yeah.
she looked like she was loving it.
Because see how you see that? That's the texture that the girls, I saw it. When I saw the video, I was like, all right, they are using imitation cream. I know what I'm looking at and I know how white, because real cream isn't that white. It has a bit of like a yellow tinge to it. So when I saw them eating it, I was like, I know what that is. I know what that is. What do you reckon? Should we just keep scooping? Should we just like, and then have a montage of just us digging at this cake?
Might as well.
Yeah, right.
Well, there's no point just stopping. Might as well destroy it in different ways. Oh, there's a big... Oh, that's where you cut a hole in the back. All right. I was about to say, there's a hole in it.
Oh!
Oh, no, my hole.
God, look at that. Anyway, let me know if you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you think this cake sucked, because I think the outcome was not that great. I don't think it was my best cake ever, but...
Was it a cake?
I mean, it's
Was it
ice
a cake
cream.
period? Like,
I mean, if ice cream cake, is it really cake as well?
I don't know. Ice cream cake. I think once it needs to be a. I don't know. Everyone else will have a different opinion.
No, you guys. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Do you reckon that this is classified as a cake, or do you reckon that no, this is just like its own category, or do you think it's just a cream shaped into a cake? Because that's like what ice cream is. It's ice cream shaped into a cake.
Yeah, but it has a certain density to it.
I mean, I guess you're right with the density part, because I could.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you trying to do? Give me a fucking heart. Stop doing it!
All right, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you guys think. As always, see you guys in the next video, yeah? That's a wrap?
Hopefully.
Okay. Bye, bye, bye.